Hey everyone, we're here at the Saladmaster office today and just wanted to hop on to show you guys something that I actually did really wrong today. Don't know if you guys ever have any mishaps or anything like that, but it happens to all of us. And what I did is I had two Saladmaster, and that's still a little hot, digital probes laid out, and I'll show you that once it cools down. And one probe was laid out on the counter and the other one was inside the electric skillet with the dome lid on it. And so I plugged one in, and therefore the one that is inside has melted onto my Saladmaster electric skillet. So we didn't smell it at all. We have another couple here with us, and I don't know if you can see that pretty good. So this was just laying in there, and then I'm going to show you guys, and I started to take it up just to show you that it's going to come out. So I've got a little spatula here. I put water in on the hot pan, and I'm just going to scrape. This is hot plastic from our electric skillet cord. I mean, only me, right? So if you want to check out that, it came right out. Would you have ever thought? So anyhow, the pan was scalding hot when I put water in on it, and this is the result from our melted plug-in, as you guys can see here. How cool is that, y'all? So Saladmaster does have a lifetime warranty on it, not against abuse, and that's what I just did, was abuse. But anyhow, it came out perfectly, and of course, I'll just get a new cord and throw that one in the trash can. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.